Many of us need a little help to see the world with perfect clarity. Whether you're nearsighted, farsighted, or have astigmatism, vision correction options like glasses and contact lenses can make a world of difference. Both options achieve the same goal, sharper vision, but each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these differences can help you make an informed decision about which option is best for your lifestyle and needs. Contact lenses are small, clear lenses that sit directly on the surface of your eye. They move with your eye, providing a natural field of view. One of the biggest advantages of contact lenses is their invisibility. They offer a discreet way to correct your vision without altering your appearance. Contact lenses are also a great option for active individuals who enjoy sports and other physical activities. Glasses are a tried and true solution for vision correction. They consist of lenses held in place by a frame that rests on your nose and ears. Glasses offer a level of convenience that contact lenses can't match. You don't need to touch your eyes to put them on or take them off. They also require less maintenance than contact lenses. Simply wipe them clean with a microfiber cloth and you're good to go. Section 4. Weighing the options: comfort, convenience and cost. Choosing between contact lenses and glasses often comes down to personal preference. When it comes to comfort, some people find contact lenses more comfortable than glasses, while others experience dryness or irritation. Glasses, on the other hand, are generally considered more comfortable for extended wear. Convenience is another important factor to consider. Contact lenses offer the freedom of not having to worry about your glasses fogging up or slipping down your nose. However, they do require daily insertion and removal, which can be inconvenient for some. Cost is also a consideration. Glasses typically have a higher upfront cost, but they can last for several years with proper care. Contact lenses, on the other hand, are an ongoing expense. Section 5. Making the right choice for you. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you value a wide field of view and a discreet appearance, contact lenses may be a good option. If you prefer convenience and ease of use, glasses may be a better fit. It's also important to consult with your eye doctor, who can assess your vision needs and recommend the best course of action.